Well done! You're in charge of collecting money for a group of friends, relatives or colleagues. But now you wish you're not. Your friends are always busy, some live interstate. Your relatives aren't always home, and your colleagues don't all work the same hours. They don't always have the cash, and hardly anyone uses a checkbook. It's time to discover wishbucket.com.au, Australia's solution for collecting money online. Now anyone, anywhere can take part. With wishbucket.com.au, collect money for a birthday gift, a teacher or a coach, a get well gift, a farewell party, your wedding, even a baby shower. Create your wish bucket on wishbucket.com.au and collect money online. Create your personal page. Choose whether or not you want to display monies. Choose also if you want your page public or private. Invite your friends or relatives to chip in and raise the money together. It's completely secure. Then transfer the money to a bank account. No more unwanted gifts, no more chasing people. Instead, everyone can easily participate in making something happen. Wishbucket. It's a win-win for everyone.